Want to instantly make your WordPress site look smoother, more professional, and even a little bit faster without touching a line of code? You're in the right place. In the next minute or so, I'll show you exactly how to add an eye-catching loading animation, also called a preloader, to your WordPress site. By the end, your visitors will see a smart loading screen as your pages get ready, making everything feel quicker and more polished. Let's not waste any time and dive right in. I'll show you two quick methods. One that works for everyone using a plugin, and another using Elementor Pro's built-in tools if you already have that installed. First up is the 60-second plugin method, which is perfect for anyone who wants results fast. Here's all you need to do: head to your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, just type Loft Loader. This is a super popular free plugin designed specifically for adding slick loading animations. When you see it in the results, click Install, and once that's done, hit Activate. Don't worry if you've never installed a plugin before, it's just a couple clicks and you're set. Now, once it's activated, you'll see a new Loft Loader section under your settings. Some themes like to tuck it away under Appearance, Customize instead, so if you don't see it one place, check the other. Click into the Loft Loader settings, and here comes the fun part. You can choose from several types of animation, like a simple spinner, a cool wave, or even upload your own custom image, think your logo or a graphic that fits your brand. This is what your visitors will see while your site is loading, so pick something that fits your vibe. There's also an option to set the background color, so you can really make sure everything matches your website's look. Once you're happy with your choices, click the Publish button. And that's it. Seriously, next time someone visits, they'll see your custom loader while the page is getting ready. It's a tiny touch, but trust me, these little improvements really do make a site feel more professional and buttoned up. Now, if you're already using Elementor Pro for your site, you don't even need an extra plugin. That's pretty handy. To do this, open up any page in Elementor. Look for the hamburger menu, that's the three little lines up in the top left corner, and click it. Then go to Site Settings and you'll find a Page Transitions section. Right here, just pick the Preloader option. You can choose from a bunch of icons, fun animations, or even upload your own image. What's especially great is you're able to set both how the animation enters and exits. For example, you might want it to fade in and out smoothly. Click Update when you're done, and just like that, your whole site gets a more elegant loading effect. Why bother adding a preloader in 2025? Two big reasons. First, perceived performance. Even on fast hosting, sometimes large images or heavy elements can slow things down. A preloader reassures visitors with a smooth animation, so they don't sit staring at a blank screen. It actually makes your site feel faster and shows you care about their experience. Second, branding. You can show off your logo or choose a color scheme that fits your site, making your brand stick in visitors' minds right from the start. So that's all there is to it. Whether you prefer the fast plugin method or have Elementor Pro already, you can give your WordPress site a modern, polished touch in well under a minute. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick, helpful WordPress tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.